Island song.
This song is for all of us that live in the islands. A song by Cole Ducky entitled Life in the Islands.
When you're ready.
From Carlisle to Nalehoo, there's a certain way we do what we do. Day by day, at work or play in these islands. Grandma dancing her favorite hula, brother strumming tunes on his old guitar, Papa with the cake, laughing the night away. Life in these islands. Life in these islands. One on the beach, playing in the sand, walking ancient trails in misty land, riding the surf on a rolling swell in these islands, gathering flowers to string a lei, being with Ohana on a special day, sharing our aloha with everyone in these islands. Life in these islands. Life in these islands. understand that there's no place on earth like these islands. Strolling along on a moonlit night, telling stories by the firelight, breathing the ocean breeze of these islands. Where rivers flow out to the sea and return to land as it rains on me. There's no other feeling like in these islands. Life in these islands. Life in these islands. Life in these islands. Life in these islands.
Legend Island by Carl Cahy.